Hi, my name is Madison Lee, and I will be talking about the Coca-Cola Bottling Company strategy and the strategic concerns.
Hi, I'm Tori, and I'll be talking about the SWOT analysis.
All right, to start with the Coca-Cola Bottling Company strategy, they recently switched from its company-owned controlled operations to their refranchise, which hands off bottling to local business owners. This allows supply chain, sales, and distribution of finished products to come from a local stance, which keeps a good flow to meet supply and demand. With Coca-Cola's refranchising efforts of localizing their bottling operations, revenue has seen significant drops each quarter. Coca-Cola moved away from the capital-intensive and low-margin business model to focus on core business. Coca-Cola is also moving beyond their sugary carbonated classics to milk and plant-based products, water, teas, coffee, and sport drink. I'll try that one again. Coca-Cola is also moving beyond their sugary carbonated classics to milk, plant-based products, water, teas, coffee, sports drinks, and other sparkling beverages. Coca-Cola wants to appeal to the masses, not a product for certain occasions, but every occasion. They want to understand what the customer wants, how they plan to use their products for any occasion.
So for the SWOT analysis, I'll start with the strengths. So some strengths, they had highly skilled workforce through successful training and learning programs. Coca-Cola Bottling Company is investing in huge resources in training and development of its employees, resulting in a workforce that is not only highly skilled, but also motivated to achieve more. Another strength is a strong dealer community. It has built a culture among distributor and dealers where the dealers not only promote company's products, but also invest in training and sales team to explain to the customer how he or she can extract the maximum benefits out of its products. They also have several performance in new markets. So Coca-Cola Bottling Company has built expertise at training new markets and making success of them. And a last strength would be strong distribution network. So over the years, Coca-Cola Bottling Company has built a reliable distribution network that can reach majority of its potential market. For some weaknesses, they have investment in research and development, which is below the fastest growing players in the industry. Even though Coca-Cola Bottling Company is spending above the industry average on research and development, it has not been able to compete with the leading players in the industry in terms of innovation. It has come across as a mature firm looking forward to bring out products based on tested features in the market. Another weakness would be limited success outside core business. So even though Coca-Cola Bottling Company is one of the leading organizations in its industries, it has faced challenges in moving to other product segments with its present culture. The last weaknesses would be not highly successful at integrating firms with different work culture. So Coca-Cola Bottling Company is successful at integrating small companies. It has shared of its failure to merge firms that have a different work culture. And now to talk about the threats, one threat would be new technologies developed by the competitor or market distributor could be a serious threat to the industry and a medium and long-term future. They also have a company that can face lawsuits in various markets given different laws and continuous fluctuations regarding product standards in those markets. Another threat would be liability laws, which in different countries are different, and Coca-Cola Bottling Company may be exposed to various liability claims given change in policies in those markets. Lastly, for some opportunities, new customers from an online channel. So over the past few years, the company has invested vast sum of money into the online program. This investment has opened new sale channels for Coca-Cola Bottling Company. Also, in the next few years, the company can leverage this opportunity by knowing its customer better and serving their needs by using big data analytics. Another threat would be new trends in the consumer behavior that could open up new market for the Coca-Cola Bottling Company. It also provides a great opportunity for the organization to build new revenue streams and diversify into new product categories. The last threat I'm going to talk about is opening up new markets because of government agreement. The adoption of new technology standard and government free trade agreement has provided Coca-Cola Bottling Company an opportunity to enter new emerging markets.
All right, and I'm going to talk about some strategic concerns. One of those concerns would be the lifestyle changes that is shifting as a society. The current health and fitness trends people are turning to makes health their top priority in what they consume, including caloric intake and lessening their sugar intake. Another concern would be the lack of innovation compared to its competitors. In comparison to top competitors such as PepsiCo, Coca-Cola seemingly lacks in innovation. PepsiCo has merged with other companies such as Frito-Lay's and Quaker Oats to provide consumers with not only beverage options, but food along with apparel. The last strategic concern that I have is environmental concerns with society. Consumers are becoming more focused on their eco footprint, and Coca-Cola bottling, primarily with plastics and aluminum, has consumers thinking of alternatives.
Hi, I'm Lucas Harrell, and I'm going to be talking about the financial analysis and recommendations on Coca-Cola Bottling Company. Based on the third quarter of Coke's net sales, it grew 5.6% in the last period, and the case volume is up to 4.6% from the third quarter. Gross margin declined 30 basis points in the third quarter compared to 2018 in the third quarter. The continual product mix has shifted from sparkling to still beverages to increase the product and bottling company. In the third quarter of 2019, from operations was $53.8 million. It's up $9.4 million versus the third quarter of 2018. Based on the first 9 months of 2019, the physical case volume was 259.3. This is 5.3% higher from 2018. In the net sales in 2019 for the first 9 months, $3,647.60. It has raised 4.6% in the last year. Lastly, the gross profit is $1,257.30. There is a 7% increase in change in the past year. In the bottling and can sales, sparkling beverages has seen a slight increase from 2018 from $1,832 to now $1,927. The still beverages has seen a $100 increase from $1,108 to $1,201. Based on the bottling company, they have seen very increase in their sales and their revenue based on the still and sparkling beverages. The revenue has increased significantly, but they would still like to see it increase more. Based on some recommendations that I believe that Coke Bottling Company can have in the next years upcoming is to still keep the focus on sparkling water and still beverages to increase their profit. Pepsi has recently introduced LaCroix as a new product line and increased their sales significantly. Coke has developed a new product called AHA Sparkling Water. This increases the organic sales and product line for the bottling company. Another recommendation that I believe that Coke Bottling Company is to run different promotions to promote recycling in order to generate a better community and world.